Namaskar everyone, we are going to focus today's topic that is UNESCO. In the previous part we have seen about the UNICEF which was based for the welfare of children's right, and the headquarters was at the New York. So here we are going to focus on UNESCO. What is the full form of that? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It means it is going to work in the field of science, education and the culture also. So that is really a very important aspect, and it is an agency of UNO. So how it's going to work? First of all, we see the history when it was formed and who is the Director General of UNESCO. So it was formed on 4th of November 1945 and headquarters is at Paris, France. France में इसका headquarter है, and it was formed on 4th November 1945 and the head Director General कौन है इसके? Azoulay. Audrey Azoulay is the Director General of UNESCO, and it was formed in 4th November 1945 and headquarters are at Paris. So it is specialized agency. क्या है ये? It is a specialized agency of the UN aimed at, इसका aim क्या है? Promoting, what promote करेगा? World peace and security. World peace और security को किसके वाया श्योर करना है? Through international cooperation in education, sciences and culture. कि we have to maintain peace, we have to maintain the security of all countries in the world by promoting, by in the cooperation in the field of education, science and culture. If we are going to cooperate in all countries are going to cooperate in all these three fields. कौन सा? That is education, science and culture. Of course, the scenario will be different and every country will be involved in their own grooming. They will not be involved in the creating wars or any disputes will be there. Things will be settled. So for this purpose it was established. It has 193 members. कितने members है? 193 members and 11 associate members. Total 193 members are there and 11 members are the associate members of it. Further we will see the mission. For what mission it was made? Building of culture of peace. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? पीस को मेंटेन करना है. एक ऐसा कल्चर जहाँ पीस मेंटेन हो उसे मेंटेन करना. नंबर 2, the reduction of poverty. Poverty को रिमूव करना. When the countries will be there, those who are going to sustain the development in their own country और जो लोगों की basic needs पूरी होंगी, in that way the overall development of the world will be there. तो number 1 क्या हो गया? Building a culture of peace. Number 2, the reduction of poverty. Number 3, sustainability of development. So we have to develop ourselves, we have to keep the resources for the future generation also. So sustainability of development, that is also the main part of that. That is there. That intercultural dialogue through education. अब education के through intercultural dialogue जो था, dialogue जो है वो create करना. आपने देखा होगा कि so many in schools and from the foreign countries the students are coming to India and Indians are going to their country. So such a culture need to be created in the field of education so that we can understand about the culture of other countries and other countries can understand about our tradition and the culture. So when there will be the particular cultural communication, so there of course they will understand the traditions and the things of each other, and it will be good for us also, and definitely it will be helpful in creating peace and the harmony. Through education, science and cultural communication. Of course, आपने देखा होगा कल्चरल कम्युनिकेशन कैसे कि वहाँ की जो कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ है, थिंग्स है, वो हमारे यहाँ हो, हम जो कर रहे हैं वो लोग अडॉप्ट करें. सो इन सच अ मैनर कि देयर विल बी अ गुड ट्यूनिंग ऑफ बिटवीन द कंट्रीज एंड द पीपल विल do the things and they will come closer and information. अब कम्युनिकेशन और इन्फॉर्मेशन के थ्रू द वेरियस कंट्री शुड इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर. ये इनका मिशन है. तो क्या हो गया? बिल्डिंग अ कल्चर ऑफ पीस, पीस मेंटेन करना, पॉवर्टी रिमूव करना एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ डेवलपमेंट को क्रिएट करना। इसके साथ ही क्या करेगा वो, इंटर कल्चरल डायलॉग थ्रू एजुकेशन, साइंस, कल्चर, कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंफॉर्मेशन। आपस में हम जब एक दूसरे की बात को सुनेंगे, समझेंगे, देन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग विल बी क्रिएटेड एंड देयर विल नॉट बी एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वायलेंस। द नेक्स्ट वन, हु फंड्स। अब फंड कौन करता है? ऑफ कोर्स इफ पर्टिकुलर एजेंसी इज वर्किंग इन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, तो दे नीड द फंड ऑल्सो। तो फॉर फंड इट इंक्लूड्स क्या क्या होगा, कंपल्सरी एंड वॉलंटरी कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम द स्टेट पार्टीज। अब जो भी इसके मेंबर हैं वो क्या करेंगे, उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, कुछ कंपल्सरी करेंगे, कुछ वॉलंटरी करेंगे, एज वेल एज फ्रॉम प्राइवेट डोनेशंस। प्राइवेट डोनेशन से भी जो है वो कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा। तो ये क्या बता रहे हैं कि इन सच अ मैनर वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर व्हाट, work for the noble cause to create the peace, and what they are doing, how they will do, so there will be some compulsory, some voluntary contribution. The World Heritage Committees allocates fund। अब देखिए यहाँ पे एक World Heritage Committee जो है वो भी allocate करती है funds according to the urgency of request। अगर urgent requires priority being given to the most threatening sites, और अगर कोई बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रायोरिटी वाली साइट है, प्रायोरिटी वाली एरिया है जहाँ फंड करना है, जहाँ के लिए फंड कलेक्ट करना है, तो ऑफकोर्स दे प्रोवाइड द फंड फॉर द सेम। सो हेयर व्हाट वी हैव सीन, यूनेस्को। यूनेस्को इज द agency of UNO, United Nations Organizations. What is the full form? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It was formed in 4th November 1945. Headquarter is in Paris, France. Head Director General is Audrey Azoulay. Specialized Agency for United Nations क्या एम करती है वो, टू प्रमोट वर्ल्ड पीस, सिक्योरिटी कैसे होगी वो, थ्रू इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन इन एजुकेशन, साइंस एंड कल्चर। इंटरनेशनली कॉरपोरेशन जो एजुकेशन, साइंस और कल्चर में होगा, एक हार्मोनी क्रिएट करेगा, एंड इट हैज़ 193 मेंबर स्टेट्स एंड द 11 एसोसिएट मेंबर्स। मिशन क्या है, बिल्डिंग अ कल्चर ऑफ पीस and the reduction of the poverty and sustainable development, intercultural dialogue through education, science, cultural communication and information. Fund कौन करता है? It includes compulsory and the voluntary contributions from the state parties as well as from the private donations. State party जो उसकी member parties होती हैं या कोई privately donation करता है तब मिलता है। Even the World Heritage Committees allocates fund according to the urgency। अगर उनको लगता है किसी particular area में they need to allocate the fund, they allocate। So this is another agency of UNO which is working towards the world peace, but this time peace will be maintained with the interaction and the interconnection of the countries via education, in the field of education, science and the culture. So of course it's a very good medium to spread the message of harmony, to spread the message of brotherhood in all over the world. So that's all for today. Notes I will send you, you need to read the notes for the same. And you need to just revise the things, as well as you have to be very much confirmed about ki what new the UNESCO is doing. So when you will mention the new things in the answers, your answer will be more good. So that's all. Thank you so much.